grade 7 students in chapter number 8 atoms. We are today completing whole revision of this chapter. We have done in this chapter atoms and elements. If you take a material, cut it down small and small pieces, you'll find that it will eventually become that particle which cannot be seen by electron microscope. That tiny particle is atom. There are different types of atoms around us, but the material which is made up of same type of atom is called element. Scientists have discovered 117 elements around this world. Some of them are rare, some of them are common, some of them are man-made. We can't see atoms even under electron microscope. We need scanning tunneling microscope to observe atoms. It means that we can see virus. It means that atoms are smaller, billions smaller than virus even. Okay. Elements and symbols. Elements are made of only one type of atom and they are shown with symbols. Scientists use symbols as shorthand for different elements. Here, element copper is explained. Copper is an element because it has only copper atoms, for example, in water pipes. Steel, on the other hand, is not an element because it is a mixture of atoms of different elements like iron, carbon, and chromium. Okay, so steel is a mixture. It cannot be shown by symbols. Only elements can be shown by symbols. Here, hydrogen, capital H, helium, capital H, small e, lithium, capital L, small I. See, each element has atomic number, specific atomic number. What is atomic number? Number of electrons or protons in an atom. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, helium atomic number is 2, lithium atomic number is 3. Here, number of electrons 1, 2, 3. The arrangement of electrons in an atom is different. The first shell can have only 2 electrons and its name is K. The second shell can have only 8 electrons and its name is L. The third shell name is M and it can have only 8 electrons. The fourth shell is N and it can also have only 8 electrons. So here hydrogen has only 1 electron in its outermost shell, whereas lithium has 1 electron in its outermost shell, that is its second shell, and carbon is having 4 electron in its outermost shell, that is its second shell. Here sulfur has 3 shells and it has 6 electrons in its outermost shell, that is third shell. In potassium atom is having 4 shells. In its first shell 2 electrons are there, in L shell 8 electrons are there, in third shell M 8 electrons are there, and in potassium outermost shell only 1 electron is there. Okay. Filling of electrons and atomic structure. You know, I've told you that protons and neutrons are in nucleus. Electrons are in the electronic shells. First shell is K shell. In hydrogen atom, the outermost shell is first shell and it is having only 1 electron because its atomic number is 1. Here in carbon atom, it has 2 shells. Its atomic number is 6, so it has 6 electrons, 2 in the first shell, that is K shell, and 4 in the outermost shell, that is L shell. In sulfur atom, there are 3 shells. It has atomic number 16. It has 16 protons, 16 neutrons, and 16 electrons. 2 electrons are in K shell. 8 electrons are in second shell and 6 electrons are in the outermost shell, that is M shell. Mass number and isotopes. We have studied atomic number, number of electrons or protons. Mass number is the total number of proton and neutron of any atom in its nucleus. It is known as mass number. It is symbolized as capital A. Mass number of hydrogen is 1 and mass number of carbon is 12. Okay? See, mass number is always written here. You have seen 1, 2, 3. Hydrogen has, now we should go first with isotopes. Isotopes, different versions of the same element are isotopes that have same number of protons but have different number of neutrons. Okay? Isotopes are different versions of atoms. These three are hydrogen atoms, but one name is protium, second name is deuterium, third name is tritium, because protium has only one proton in its nucleus, deuterium has one proton as well as one neutron, and tritium has one proton, and two neutrons. So its atomic mass is 3. But as they all three have one atomic number, so these are different versions of hydrogen atom, isotopes of hydrogen atom. Now here we will study radioisotopes. Radioisotopes are the different versions of that atom that is unstable. If the isotopes are not stable, they give off radiation and change into another element. Such isotopes are called radioisotopes. Uranium 234, 235 and 238. All three elements, all three versions of uranium are radioactive because after some time they give off radiation, become some other element, then give off radiation, become some other elements. Molecules and compounds. When two or more molecules combine together, they form molecule. If the combining atoms are same, then it will be oxygen, then it will be element, for example oxygen. If the combining atoms are of different type, then it will be compound. Compounds can be covalent or ionic. Let me tell you here. Carbon dioxide, name is carbon dioxide, formula is CO2, bonding is covalent, elements are carbon and oxygen. Second is methane, CH4, bonding is covalent. C and 4 hydrogen atoms are sharing electrons with each other. One carbon atom, one hydrogen atom sharing one electron with each other. So one carbon atom is sharing 4 electrons with 4 hydrogen atoms. So carbon and hydrogen. Sodium chloride, NaCl, is an ionic compound because sodium gives its one outermost electron to chlorine atom. It becomes positively charged and chlorine becomes chloride ion. This type of electrostatic bonding between positive and negative charge is called ionic bonding, and this is present in sodium chloride. The element present in sodium chloride table salt is sodium and chlorine. Sulfuric acid is H2SO4, ionic between So here there are two types of bondings. Here between sulfur and 4 oxygen atoms, the bonding is covalent bonding. But between oxygen and hydrogen, the bonding is ionic bonding. What is ionic bonding? When transfer of electron from one atom occurs to other atom. Here hydrogen is giving one electron to oxygen atom. It is becoming positively charged and this is negatively charged. So sulfuric acid is having two types of bonding, ionic bonding, covalent bonding. It is made up of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Thanks for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.